Gemini is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and store various digital assets. One question that many users have is whether Gemini accepts PayPal as a payment method. In this guide, we will explore the answer to this question and provide a step-by-step overview of how to use Gemini with PayPal. First, it is essential to note that Gemini does not directly accept PayPal as a payment method. However, there are alternative ways to fund your Gemini account using PayPal. One option is to use a bank account or debit card that is linked to your PayPal account. To get started, you need to create a Gemini account and verify your identity. This process typically involves providing personal information and proof of identification. Once your account is verified, you can link a bank account or debit card to your Gemini account. If you want to use PayPal to fund your Gemini account, you can do so by first transferring funds from your PayPal account to your linked bank account. Then, you can use the funds in your bank account to purchase cryptocurrencies on Gemini. It is crucial to note that using PayPal to fund your Gemini account may incur additional fees. PayPal charges a fee for transferring funds to a bank account, and Gemini also charges a fee for buying cryptocurrencies. In addition to using a bank account or debit card, you can also use other payment methods such as wire transfer or ACH transfer to fund your Gemini account. However, these methods may take longer to process and may incur additional fees. In conclusion, while Gemini does not directly accept PayPal as a payment method, you can still use PayPal to fund your Gemini account by transferring funds to a linked bank account or debit card. It is essential to be aware of the potential fees involved and to carefully review the terms and conditions of both PayPal and Gemini before making any transactions. By following these steps and understanding the options available, you can easily use Gemini with PayPal and start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Remember to always prioritize security and follow best practices when using online financial services.